Hi, welcome to this new section. In this new section, we will build basic structure of our website because now we have our wireframe ready and this is the time to start building the real website. In this lecture, what we are going to look at is how to set up the folder structure of our website. So let us get started. So to begin with, I am just going to set up the folder structure on my desktop. I'm going to right click and I'll select folder and it will create a new folder for me. I'll give it a name. The name I have given to this project is Solo. So we will be working on Solo web project. I'm going to open this folder. Once I'm inside this folder, I'm going to create an index.html file. The index.html file is basically default HTML file and HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In next lecture, you will learn some basics of HTML. We will write all of our HTML markup code inside this index.html file. After that, I am going to create a CSS folder, which in future is where all of our cascading style sheets will go. Inside this CSS folder, I am going to create style.css file. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. We will write all of our styling code inside this style.css file. I will go back and next I am going to create a second folder and the name for this second folder is JS, which means JavaScript. Inside this JavaScript folder, all of our JavaScript files will go. Inside this JavaScript folder, I am going to create script.js file. I will use this script.js file to write all the custom JavaScript and jQuery related code. Next, I am going to create third folder, which is for images. I'll give it a name img, and this is where all the images for our website will go. I have already prepared images for Solo project. I have this Solo images folder, and inside this folder I have all the images for Solo website. Okay, let me move all of these images to the Solo website. I will copy all of these folders and I'll simply move these folders to this img folder. These are the images which you can prepare for yourself or they can be provided by your client. Okay. All of your resources for your website have to go in here somewhere. Obviously, your CSS style sheets will go inside CSS folder. All of your images will go inside img folder and all of your JavaScript files will go inside JS folder. Next, I am going to open this Solo folder inside the brackets code editor. I will take away this Solo images folder because I don't need it anymore. Okay. I will open brackets code editor. We have already set up the brackets code editor and now we have to just open the Solo project folder inside brackets code editor. I'll go to file and I'll select open folder and I'll navigate to my desktop. And on my desktop, I have this Solo project folder. I'll select it and it will open it inside the brackets code editor. So we have this index.html file and we have this style.css file and we have this script.js file and we have images inside the img folder. Right now all these files are blank. I'll start coding this Solo project from the very scratch. Inside this index.html file, I'll write all the HTML markup. Inside this style.css file, I'll add styling code for this project. And inside script.js file, I'll write JavaScript and jQuery related code. In this lecture, I just created the website folder file structure for Solo project. I'll continue in next lecture. I'll see you there. Thanks.